Hey everyone, I'm Danny and welcome to Muggle Magic. So I did have a different video planned for this weekend, but I had to use my Cricut Explorer Air 2, and as soon as I started putting this thing together, I just got an error on my Cricut Explorer Air 2 and I could not print or cut anything. So yeah, that's not happening. Hopefully I'll be able to do that video next weekend, but for this weekend, I've got another good one lined up that was actually gonna be next weekend. Anyways, this one, I'm going to do the Quidditch Pitch in my Marauders map. So this is an addition to the Marauders map. The plan has always been to continue to add to this map over time. But yeah, you'll have to have my templates in order to use this template to add something to this map. Hopefully you got a hold of my templates for the Marauders map before it was taken down. If not, the templates are still available on Patreon, so you can head over there and download them. And if you do like my videos, make sure that you give it a thumbs up down below, share this video, subscribe to the channel if you're not already. All of these things really do help the channel out, and I greatly appreciate them. And if you want to get even more out of your Muggle Magic experience, head on over to Patreon and check out the tiers over there. I think a lot of you would be very interested in that. I do have the 45K giveaway winner to announce, so stay tuned after the DIY for that announcement and little details about more upcoming giveaways. Yeah, go ahead and check out the description box below for a list of supplies you're gonna need, as well as the free downloadable templates, and let's get started. Okay, so it has been a while since I have had the Marauders map on my cutting mat in a video. So I've made plenty of these, we haven't done a video on the Marauders map in so long. And I'm really happy to kind of put a new one out here for you guys. So this is an addition to your Marauders map, and basically we're just going to print the template and then trim the white space off, and then I'm going to show you where to fold it and glue it into your Marauders map. So I'm going to cut my borders off with a ruler and X-Acto knife. If you have a paper cutter, that would do just as good of a job. All right, so this is what it should look like, and this is printed double-sided. So let's put this in the map. So this is going to go right here, actually, where this star is. If you just basically take this side of your map, open it up all the way to right here, and then just open it up one more right here. There we go. This is where the Quidditch Pitch is going to go. So next you're going to want to take your Quidditch Pitch and fold it in half like this so that the star is facing outward like this. And now we'll glue it in right here. And you want to put glue on the opposite side that just has stripes. You don't want to put glue on the side that has the star. So let's go ahead and put some glue on this side of the paper. Now, this is where you have to be careful, because once you glue this in, it's not going to be easy to get out if you don't have it quite in the right spot. So I start on like one corner and get it lined up right, and I don't push it down all the way. I just kind of let it lay kind of loosely on the paper until I get this top one right here lined up, this top line, and then once that's lined up, then I can press it down like this, and that should get a good, that should help you line it up pretty well. And then we'll fold it back over on itself like this, and there we have the Quidditch Pitch now in our map. So the flap just opens up to reveal the Quidditch Pitch right here. I've always wanted to add the Quidditch Pitch to this map. There are other things that I want to add, other little hidden flaps that I'd like to add to this map. And I also still want to do the 3D stairs. I know a lot of people have been waiting for me to do that. I've just not had time, and it hasn't been a high priority because the map is pretty cool as it is, and not having the 3D stairs doesn't really break it. But I am gonna do it, so yeah, just wait for that, I guess. And yeah, so anyways, that is how we do the Quidditch Pitch. I hope you guys like this DIY. I'm super excited to get the Quidditch Pitch added to this Marauders map. There are things that I really want to add to this map, so there will be more coming in the future. It may be few and far between, but I will be adding to this map. Just like always, I'm going to be giving away what I made in this video today, and it's not just going to be the Quidditch Pitch template. I'm going to give away a full Marauders map with the Quidditch Pitch included. So if you're interested in that giveaway, the link is in the description box below. Speaking of giveaways, I have a 45K giveaway to announce in this video. I'm so happy that the channel hit 45K subscribers. I can't wait for 50. And then, oh man, when this channel hits 100,000 subscribers, there is going to be a celebration of some kind. I will be giving away something amazing at that point, I swear to you, because I really want that silver play button. Anyways, the winner of the 45K giveaway for the Gilderoy Lockhart pop figure, framed photograph, and his quiz for Defense Against the Dark Arts is Maria Sains. Congratulations to you, and I have sent you an email with instructions on how you can claim your prize. And let's go ahead and end this video with the featured comment. And the featured comment is from my last video for the Weasley's Fireworks Volume 2. I did that for the 4th of July. Anyways, the featured comment is from Soph, who says, "Your work is amazing, thank you very much. But the question is, what is your favorite merch item, i.e. t-shirt, replica, etc.?" So, that's a good question because, you know, I make all these replicas, but what's my favorite official prop? I would say that my favorite merch item isn't a t-shirt, and it's actually not a replica. My favorite one is actually a book, and it is the Harry Potter film wizardry book, because this thing is just full of awesome information and photos, and my favorite thing about it is it does have replicas in the book. Like, there are fold out things that you can like just fold out, and then there are things that you can actually take out of the book itself. So yeah, if you don't have the Harry Potter film wizardry book, you definitely should have it. Another good one is the Archive of Magic for the Crimes of Grindelwald, and also the Case of Beasts for Fantastic Beasts. They're all the same. They all have awesome replicas that can be removed, or some of them are stuck in the book, but they're still really cool. I will leave links to all 3 of those books in the description box if anybody's interested, because they are just must-haves if you ask me. So thank you, Soph, for the question. There's my answer. Let me know what your answer is. What is your favorite replica or merch item or t-shirt or whatever official thing having to do with Harry Potter? Let me know in the comment section below. And that is it. That is all I have for today. So thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Remember, I get a lot of ideas for these DIYs that I do from your comments. So if you have an idea for something that you want to see me do in the future, definitely leave a comment below and let me know. If you're interested in seeing more DIY videos having to do with Harry Potter and more, go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you're not already. Alright, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.